how are you? So in this video today I'm going to show you how to get rid of your leg hairs without shaving or waxing. But it can be any hair, your arm hair, your leg hair, any hair you can want to remove without shaving or waxing. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So stay tuned and watch till the end, as all the steps are very important and you need to pay close attention to it. So let's go and I'll show you. Okay, for this purpose we need sugar. As you can see, I put this, this is a granulated sugar. We need paste. You can use any paste, it depends on you, like Colgate I'm using it, you can use any, and one like half lemon you can use. Okay, now I'll let you know how to mix it. So I'm gonna take my bowl and I'm gonna put some sugar in it. So it doesn't matter like how much it depends, like, so I just put this much and then I put this toothpaste in it. So this much I'm gonna use it and put it here. This much paste you will need it. And now I'm gonna put the lemon inside. So once I put the lemon inside, the consistency will be like this. So don't worry, we just need to mix it with this and no need to worry about more. So I'm just gonna mix it. You can see it's mixed and this one will be like this. So now I'm gonna put it, I'm gonna show it on my shoulder and I will show you how we're going to put it this one. So guys, I'm taking the brush. You can take any old brush if you have, and then we're just gonna put this inside here, and I'm gonna put this like this kind of mixture. Just rub it and just put this mixture on your legs or arms. I'm gonna show you. So as you can see, I have less hair, but still, like you can see this, we're just gonna put this mixture like this on the skin, like this. Just put it, like keep on taking the mixture and just putting it on your skin. Don't worry, it won't hurt and it won't be allergic, no reactions to it. So whatever, you can cover your leg with this, and then you have to leave it for 30 minutes. So like this, it will be like for 20 days you have to do like this. So 30 minutes you have to leave, then we can wash it away. So sis, did you enjoy this? No fear, your sis is here. So don't worry, your hair will get less within 20 days or less, maybe, because when I experimented this, this took me like 15 days. I start seeing my hair very less. So you have to continue this, no need to skip any days, and if you do also, you can continue, and then I think 1 month you will take 20 days, 25 days, and it will be removed. So don't worry about that. Okay, and if you like this video, please do subscribe and like my video and share it with your friends, as I want to reach as many brothers and sisters as I can to help them. So your sis is here, don't worry about anything, and I will see you in my next video here. Bye.